So here we're gonna go to a quick tutorial on how to set up the XMelt. First of all, you're gonna, before you power up, make sure on the side you got your hoses, gun cables, your hose connected to the manifold, and of course the air, incoming air. That air needs to be around 85 psi. So once you're ready, you're gonna power up. On your display, it's gonna show your software version and the tank size. Okay, it's gonna go into the heating mode, heating, whether the tank is on or off, and then it's gonna give you the date, today's date. As far as the air on the front, make sure you have at least 35 psi. Just remember, this air pressure is gonna be the result of your glue pressure coming out of the tip right here of the glue gun. Very important. Okay, so quickly, what we got here, the first set of keys. This is your OK to acknowledge any change that you make, up and down keys, and this is your data key to make changes. This group of keys right here, this one key, once you press that, it's just gonna rotate through the information on the tank that shows you the tank hose and gun temperatures and the status of it. In this case, everything is off. You can do without it if you want to. Don't need it on, okay, unless you want to see it. What's your temperatures? This is the second key. That's your eco. You just press it, the system goes into it. It's gonna drop temperature based on your settings. Take it out of the eco. Just press it once, and then this is your timer. This is your timer that you can set under your options here. The unit will come on and off automatically every day based on your settings and your timing. Okay, so to set up temperatures, the first thing you want to do, like in this case, the tank is off. To turn the tank on, you just press the key twice. You see it changes from on to off. When it's on, this is blinking right here. Now you can use the up and down arrow keys and you can set your temperatures. So we want the tank in this case at 311. Once you got that, just press acknowledge with the check mark. Move on to the hose by using the down arrow key. Here's your hose 1. Same case, to turn it on, double click. Your temperature, you see it's blinking by the number. That's when you can make the changes with the up and down key and select your temperature. Once you have your temperature set, just acknowledge with the check mark. Press it one time, that'll give you the same scenario. You still on channel 1, that's what we programming, channel 1, and you can see right here that on the side right here, these are your connections for your hoses. So from the bottom up, that's hose 1, gun 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever many other channels you have. To turn on the gun, the same scenario. Click once, you see it blinking, click again, it turns it on. Set your temperature, acknowledge with the check mark. Yep. Ready? So as far as the temperature goes, you can see the tank is off. Again, turn it on, click it twice, acknowledge with the check mark. But you can see, follow the LEDs. You see we have the tank. When you go to hose 1, right here, there is your number 1, and here's the symbol for the hose. Follow that. Here's your head 1 and the symbol on the LED. Once you jump into channel 2, like in this case, you see there's dashes there. There's no numbers because we don't have anything connected on channel number 2. But you know that you're on number 2. There it is. You see it changing 3 and 4. come back to heating mode. At this point, we now have the tank, hose, and guns are heating up. You can come here, you can turn the pump on if you want to at this point, or you can wait until you got the green light, green LED right here. Either way, right now, once everything reaches temperature, you're gonna get a green LED right here. If the pump is engaged, you're gonna hear the pump engage, and the system will be ready. So again, you got your pressure, air pressure, and you reach your temperature. The system is ready for action.
And then what is the little hand button here
Okay.
at the bottom?
And these two keys right here, the key with the hand, that's your diagnosis. There's tons of options there to. The first one you can see right away. This is your software version. So your first number is the software that is on your display. The second number is a temperature card inside the unit. And that would be that card right there. So if you're using your up and down arrow keys, you navigate through it. This is your hardware number. And here's your areas where you can actually do several tests. Now this may get a little more complex, and you need to refer to the manual for troubleshooting purpose. To set up the remote for the unit, you just simply press the data key once, and you will see the word remote, and then the option is off or on. On, you press the check mark. Now you get two LEDs blinking here. Now you have no control on the keypad here. Your control is now on the display.